That's after they've had nearly 2 feet of snow in the last couple of days. They've had nearly 6 feet of snow all season so far, and they sit with about 4 feet that's on the ground. And as you just mentioned, they're still under winter storm warnings where more snow is falling right now. Avalanche danger is when you get old crusty snow below where you get a lot of snow on top of it, and that's an unfortunate situation. Now, as we get to our weather here, we've seen a few clouds develop, and that's going to play a number in our temperatures where we may have actually hit low temperatures in some locations. Maybe the opportunity we go down a little bit from here, so I have adjusted lows technically tomorrow morning, but I'm going to show you why there's kind of a variety of temperatures coming in for different amounts of reasons. Now, that same system that's dropping the snow right there is the next one that will give us our rain chance, but it might be the timing is just so that we don't find a whole lot out of this particular system. So as we looked at, there'll be a brief warm up before that system's through, and it does drop in some more cold as it does arrive. But as for the rain chances, I don't think we get a whole lot, even though we're under a risk for possibly some strong storms. So tomorrow morning, well, let me rephrase this. By about midnight, this could be a snapshot of temperatures because take a look at our forecast for temperatures. They're pretty close to where we started. They will actually go up a little bit as south winds kick in tomorrow morning. So you wake up to around 50. And that's not too bad. You get at least a decent amount of sun, maybe some thicker clouds late, a little higher humidity, can't rule out a shower. But we will get up to near 70 tomorrow afternoon. And then there's this chance that we get some overnight showers and storms. Way west is where the storms will develop earlier. But as they start to roll here, it'll be after midnight, but they should weaken before they do. Will they hold together? Will they really continue to bring us a strong storm? If they do, maybe there's a risk they're severe, but we're on that very southeast side of that severe risk. The greater threat is well northwest of us. Again, that's tomorrow for Thursday. I don't think we get much until we get into Friday. And you can see temperatures overnight to morning hours are still mild. We're holding on to 70 before. This is the actual cold front that comes through to bring a potential for showers, maybe a storm. But look at our guide. I don't see anything that shows me either heavy storms, strong storms like what came through on Monday night, Tuesday morning. So the risk for severe storms into Friday is completely different. We're on the west end where the severe risk is really east of us. So we're not in the right spot for the right timing to get strong storms. I think we just get a few showers, maybe a storm Friday morning, and high temperatures still 70 before the colder air comes in as we go to afternoon and more after sunset that night. Oh, and it's going to be windy too after that front passes. So again, a little bit of a warm up. We get maybe some showers and storms Friday, but then a dry weekend, chilly, cold to start, cool to end it. As we get to next week, Monday into Tuesday, that's the day we're watching to potentially drop in some frigid Arctic air. This Arctic blast could be coming courtesy of the North Pole with two systems helping to drive it in. The first Arctic cold front and a second one that helps kind of enhance the push of that cold Arctic air, where we could experience our first hard freeze for some areas and more likely to the North Shore and maybe even a deep freeze or at least a freeze all the way to the coast. Some lows could maybe dip into the teens Tuesday morning, highs only to about the 40s, and Wednesday morning is just as cold, so we're going to go with weather alert days then. Plan ahead, maybe wrapping some pipes, finding a place for the pets outside indoors. Chance of those storms rolling in Friday morning, a dry weekend, and we'll keep an eye on what happens for next week.